he's getting the signal from top, and on top there is satellites. They are sending the signal, and he's receiving at a time 4 or 5 satellite signal and showing us the position on top. Now one problem here, inside battery finish is showing June to 1994. It should be 2014 January. What is the day today? 16th January issues. The other one is showing the correct thing. GPS 3 dimension, we don't require 3D, we require 2D. 3D require only the aeroplane height. We only require latitude, longitude. So he's showing here present latitude 52 degree 30.1 minute north, longitude 001 degree 42.69.2 minute east. What is the range and bearing from present position to the waypoint if I choose, and ship's course, speed and course. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 number, and also this button have a secondary job: display, waypoint route, mark, zoom in, center, event man overboard, go to, plot on and off, zoom out, cursor on and off, clear, power switch, enter, escape or main menu button. Because last 20 years by pressing this one, the most of the button gone, the thing. This is cursor up, down, right, left. Now what is the question and answer? Can you give the book, the blue book? Task. Okay. There are 11 questions on the practical. You need to know the answer to this question, how to do it. Extract geodetic data from chart and enter value into the GPS. Now suppose this chart is showing satellite derived position. Position obtained from satellite navigation system are normally referred to WGS datum, World Geodetic Datum System. Such position should be moved 0.03 minutes southward and 0.11 minute eastward to agree with this chart. If you choose WGS 84, you have to put this much correction. But this chart is drawn or referred to Ordnance Survey of Great Britain 1936 data, because this is 1994 published, 94, 20 years before. So after it is not updated, because this is the very old chart. So go to menu by pressing this. Under the main menu tree there are 9: display setup, track mark setup, erase track mark, alarm setting, manual calculation, number 7 GPS monitor, 8 self test, number 9 system setting. Most of the question here is from system setting, number 9. So you can do it two way. One is by arrow, highlight this one, press enter, or by pressing number 9, this button, you will immediately choose the system setting. So this is the quickest way. By pressing 9 is now system setting. Under system setting, again there are 9 sub menu: plotter setup, unit setup, data output setup, data to output setup, data 4 setup, GPS setup, DGPS setup, line of position setup, clear the memory. So from here is GPS setup. Choose number 6. First number 9, then number 6. So now I choose like this. Highlight number 6, GPS setup, press enter, this button. So it is the main where you set up the GPS. The question was extract geodetic datum from chart and enter value into the GPS. So there is two pages. This is the first page, fixed mode 2D or 3D, disable satellite, GPS smoothing, speed average. By putting arrow down, you go to the next page. Page number 2, geodetic datum, position offset, time difference, position. So I will choose WGS 84. By highlight geodetic datum, now arrow left, highlight WGS 84, press enter. Is choose now WGS 84. But he say, if you choose WGS 84, you have to put some correction because little bit of change. So I will put in the position offset, clear the old value. Look at the chart, 0.03 minutes south. So first is 0 because now point, no need to put the point, 0.03. Now it is written north. To change to south, press tone button, this button. By pressing this one, it will change north to south, east to west, or plus to minus. Anything you can do by this tone or toggle button. So it's south. Longitude 0.11 minute eastward. 0, 1, 1 east. Again toggle. You updated the information, press enter. So the position you get on the first page is now WGS 84 and you have put the correction. Now there is another one. If you no need to put the correction, if you put the original, the chart drawn world Great Britain 1936 datum, means like Indian government, he do the chart Indian government survey.
Yes, sir.
Something like. So at the back of Furono manual, we make a photocopy showing here. It's come A, B, C, A, Adina, Anna, A, C, like India is I, G, H, India is 064 number. Then go to O, Ordnance Survey of Great Britain, 1936, 117. Oman is 116. So 117 from the manual. Now choose geodetic datum, go to the other. Clear the old value, write 117 and enter. Then do not put any position offset, clear 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, enter. When I choose that one, Ordnance Survey of Great Britain 1936 datum, number is 117. So I put here other 117 and put offset 0. Now he will give exactly as per this chart. But when you go to the ship now, most of the chart is under WGS 84, World Geodetic System 1984 datum. So it is better to keep always WGS 84, and even you don't put the correction for a big chart, the correction point 1 minute is a pencil tip. So for a ship, 1 meter, 10 meter, because 200 meter length, 32 meter wide, little bit of pencil distance, no problem. But when you go to inside the port, buoyed channel, under the bridge, that time it needs to be very accurate. But otherwise, open sea doesn't matter. Question number 2. State the danger of excessive smoothing and state where to find the standard value. Same in this page, go to the page number 1 by arrow up. How do we come to this page? Main menu, number 9, press 6, GPS setup. So GPS smoothing. Position smoothing 000, speed smoothing 005. In this file, from the manual, what is smoothing? Question number 9. It averages out the position over given time. Too much smoothing will result in slow indication of change in course and speed. For position smoothing it is 000, normal value. For speed smoothing 005. Now when my ship moves, the antenna also always little bit port starboard due to rolling and pitching, forward and aft. So as the distance from satellite and the angle change, this machine thinks we altered course 5 degree starboard, 5 degree port, 5 degree starboard, 5 degree port. Too much rolling, 10 degree starboard, 10 degree port. If it is pitching, then it shows sometimes speed 12 knot, 11 knot, 12 knot, 11 knot. So it's become confused. To average out, they have given some value. If you put, even you lose little bit, he will not show that you altered course. Otherwise all the time is showing I'm going to 5 degree. Actually you didn't do anything. It is the rolling and pitching is making you. So to average out, it's so that it's steady, it gives the smoothing. So where do you find this information? In the manual for you, in this here, 00 and 005. Now if you put too much smoothing, not 000, say 100, and this is one is 200, what will happen? Now if you alter course 30 degrees starboard, he will not show that you altered course. So again there is a little bit of fine tuning there. Not too much is good, not very less also good. So if you alter course 10 degrees starboard, the machine within a few seconds he should show you that you alter course 10 degrees to starboard. Display and describe satellite in view window. Now this is not here. Go to the escape, the main screen. Now press again main menu. Come to now number 7, not 9. Previously we done in number 9. Now come to number 7, GPS monitor. Highlight GPS monitor, or you press 7 directly or enter. Now in this page there is a picture coming. Can you see that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 4, 17, 13, 23, 20, 32, 31, 01, these are circle. Means this number of satellite is tracking. My antenna is tracking. Antenna is getting a signal from those satellite. The one which is not encircled, like 12, 10, 11, satellite is there, but machine is not getting the signals. So from here we know which satellite at the moment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 satellite, which is very good. Minimum required 3. Minimum required 3. Now this bar is the signal to noise ratio. Same like our mobile telephone. 3 bar very good, 1 bar very less. So the more the bar length, yes, the more the bar length signal is good. Less the bar length is signal is bad. So by looking here, satellite number 17 and 23 is very good signal, but satellite number 20 bar is less, so signal is weak. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Describe satellite in view window. So this is the in view window. The one which is circle, we are getting signal. The one which is not circle, we are not getting signal. Display and explain DOP value, dilution of precision. So here is written dilution of precision 2.3. What is dilution of precision? You know, in the sky there are satellites. If all the satellite is one corner of the sky, the position is not very good. The good is one satellite on the north, one satellite on the south, one satellite east, one satellite west, 4 satellite giving us 4 good cut, means very good cut, good fix. That time dilution of precision will be 1 less. So dilution of precision is, if it is less, good. If dilution precision more, the position is not so very good. Now where we find out which is good or not? For this machine in 2D mode, dilution of precision should be less than 3. In 3D mode, 3-dimension mode, dilution of precision should be less than 6. Is given here. Display and present dilution of precision, main menu press 7. In 2D, PDOP in 3D. In 2D mode, it is less than 3. If it is 3D mode, less than 6. If getter, then not good. If getter indicates abnormal fixing. So in question number 12, answer dilution of precision. So in 2D mode, it should be less than 3. At the moment, 2.3 is good, very good.
So unit for this?
No unit. Ratio, dilution of precision. Now he is also recording.
There you go. Carry on. You know how to use it?
That one is finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a cheap one from China, sir.
Yes.
Record, change it. Can you repeat everything again?
No. Didn't miss it anything.
Select 2D and 3D position. Here is showing 3D. How to change it to 2D? We have to go to again main menu, escape.
9, 6.
Yeah, main menu. Number 9, system setting. I put 9.
GPS setting.
GPS setting number 6. Now here highlight fixed mode. It is at the moment 3D. Change over to 2D. Highlight, enter. And go to the again main menu is showing now 2 dimension. For ship, keep it 2D mode. For aeroplane, 3D mode. Demonstrate how would you disable a satellite and state under what circumstances you should do this. Are you having problem there? So when you will disable a satellite and how to do it? Go to main menu, go to number 9, system setting, go to number 6, GPS setup. Now here is a disable satellite, highlight that one. Now we have seen on the which satellite is giving us a good. If you receive a message on Inmarsat C or NAVTEX that satellite number 12 is giving us the wrong information, kindly disable it from US Coast Guard. So you come here, write down 1, 2 and press enter. So you manually disable satellite number 12. He is not getting any information from 12. If the Coast Guard say not 12, also number 20 also, say 20. So write down 2, 0 and press enter. So satellite number 12 and 20 is disabled manually.
We can
now,
disable only 3.
We can disable only 3 satellite. But on the ship, we don't do nowadays because all the machines are automatic. If somebody is not giving us the correct, he is automatically, they say automatically disabled. They have so much of now intelligence. If somebody is giving the wrong information, the machine will automatically disable it. We don't, duty officer don't have to do it. But this is the way. This is the way, but we don't do it at sea. It is machine who do automatically which to take, which not to take. So keep it 0. Clear. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Enter. Okay. Input time zone. Now again in this page, and this is second page. This is only 2 page. Time difference. Here somebody write down plus 4 hour 30. We are in now United Kingdom. England is GMT plus 00. So highlight this one, clear, write down plus 000. If I am going to India, is GMT plus 530. So I will put here clear, plus is there, 0, 5, 3, 0. So sorry, I keep clear, 0, 5, 3, 0. So on top in the main menu, the time will show the Indian Standard Time. If I go to Japan, I will write down here GMT plus. No, Japan is GMT plus 9. But where do you get the information? What is the correct? Admiralty list of radio signal, volume 2.
Volume 2, sir.
Legal time. Legal time is page number 240. So look for 240. The name of the country come A, B, C, D, Azores, Afghanistan, Albania, then Brunei, Bahama, So if suppose if I am going to say China. China is +8. Now here it is a little bit of difference. Here is showing -8. Actually, from China standard time to come to GMT, you have to subtract -8. Same like India, EFGHI. India is showing -5. Actually, no, we don't do 5. We do the opposite. So if I go to India, if it is now 12:30, I subtract 5:30 to get the GMT time. So you do the opposite way. Yes, Captain Dinger.
No, continue.
Should I continue? Okay. So we are looking for Japan, no? IJ. Japan is 9. -9, but we'll write down here +9. +9. Now if we go to America, New York is -5:30. Same again, go to USA. USA have so many Eastern Zone, Central Zone, Mountain Zone, Arizona, Pacific, Alaska, Aleutian Island, Hawaii. So where you are going, Eastern Zone is +5. So we write down here -5. If I go to Arizona, I'll make -7. Most of the United States is minus because it is west side of the England, and India, Japan, all the country is eastern side.
So we have to toggle and change the sign.
Yes. So if I go to now America, I will press the toggle button minus and write down -0600 060 sorry, clear, minus again 0600 6 hour so and so minute. So on top the time will show that country's standard time. Standard time. Okay, so come back to again, we are not in Japan, we are not in America, we are in United Kingdom. Press clear 0000. He will give us the GMT time. Escape. Demonstrate how would you reduce the brilliance of the display at night. This is the brilliance. So how you do that? By pressing the tone button in the normal menu. Tone button. Brilliance is up and down. Minimum brilliance, maximum brilliance. So somewhere middle is good. Then contrast, tone, something like television. You cannot see nothing. This 0 to 30. Somewhere 14, 15 is good. As your eye, which side you are looking for. So to go back to again normal, press escape. Describe the different display mode available. What are the various? This is the one mode. So press now, not menu, display. There are 5 display mode: plotter 1, plotter 2, highway, navigation, data. We are seeing now data. But if I go to say highway mode, highlight, enter, it will show something like highway. Your ship is here, some bars are there, means 3D mode. If you want to go back to navigation, highlight and press enter. It shows like a compass what course you are steering. So the best mode is navigation data mode. Highlight data and press enter, which will give you date, time, latitude, longitude, from present position to the next waypoint, what is the range and bearing, what speed you are doing, what course you are doing. Display ship position, course and speed, which is this. If it is different display, keep it in the data mode. This is the ship's position, latitude, longitude, course, speed. Use Admiralty list of radio signal, input value, manually select DGPS position. Now, DGPS is differential GPS, which give you a very accurate position. For this, your machine have to written here DGPS, or there is an old system. There is another receiver there which written DGPS beacon receiver. This is very old system. So what happened on the coast? there are, every country have a station given in the ARS volume 2, which country is, where is the DGPS station. They transmit the correction. Same, we are in the lowest of coast, the lowest of station will transmit to the ship that for lowest of area the correction is 0.2 minute northward and 0.03 minute eastward. The machine receive and then he give it to here and he correct it and give us a very good signal within 5 meter correct. Now modern machine don't have this one, is one machine everything is written DGPS, Puruno. So how do you do that? On this book, go to DGPS chapter, differential GPS DGPS, page number 206. He talk about DGPS, how it work on the coast, their station, they receive the message from the satellite and they count how much is the error for in that suppose lowest of area and transmit to the ship and ship get the very accurate position. So now every country is like Argentina, Australia, Bahrain, Belgium, Bermuda, Brazil, we look for United Kingdom. U is last, United Kingdom. These are the present, it is 2013, these are the DGPS station. Now there is a one picture also here, United Kingdom, lowest of is somewhere here. So nearest station is North Foreland. So what is the North Foreland transmitting? North Foreland, latitude longitude of the station, DGPS transmitting frequency 299.5 kilohertz, transmitting rate 100 bytes per second, reference station identification number 688. So go to main menu, go to system setting number 9. Now choose number 7 DGPS setup. Previously we done everything number 6. Now choose number 7. Highlight DGPS setup, press enter. Now here reference station is, if I put it automatic and enter, we don't have to do anything. The machine will automatically see which station is nearest to me, where he is getting very good signal. Which normally we do everybody auto. Suppose you have to do manually, then you have to open this book and do it manually. So that thing, highlight manually and write down the station identification number 688. Now as because it is 4 letter, you have to write down 0688. Clear the old value 0688. Okay, enter. Now what is the frequency? 299.5 kilohertz. Clear 2990 kilohertz. Enter. Baud rate is same like computer, how many bytes per second. You know the computer so in binary, so it should be 100. Is minimum is showing here 25, maximum is 200. So we choose 100 and enter. Now this machine should lock onto that station, North Foreland, and show here green light that it's active. And whatever the position you are getting in the main signal is very accurate. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
This is the question and answer to you. Don't
Okay.
Switch off now.
switch off now.